Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. It is Monday, August 16th. Happy Monday to you. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend, and it was beautiful. Yesterday, I think, was probably the most beautiful day that we've had all summer. It wasn't too hot. It was nice. It was cool. It got cooler Saturday night, so it was nice and beautiful. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I see some people joining in now. Hopefully everybody's getting the notification that I am live. Thank you for watching. Yesterday was beautiful. I went out for a hike. I did a walk in the morning. I went for a hike with a friend that I haven't seen in a while. We sat on top of the mountain. I got nice and red, my shoulders, some nice color. I guess I have some nice color. My cheeks are nice and red. Hello everybody. Hello Kathy. Hello Melissa. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you can give me a thumbs up. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. The more people that comment on my videos or our videos here at Roma Thyme, the more that they get out there and people see them. So hello Ellen. Thank you for watching me, everybody. I appreciate it. Aroma Thyme is open tonight. We have very limited tables available. We are going to be busy this evening. We have our wine dinner tonight, which is sold out. I think we only have maybe 1 or 2 tables available still. We have earlier times like 5 o'clock and then later times like 8 o'clock available. So if you would like to come in, please make sure you give us a call. We have takeout available, so you can always order takeout. Our $9.99 special this week to go is barbecue chicken. I'm not sure, are we doing it with rice and...
I think it's just barbecue chicken and it's smoked.
So smoked barbecue chicken. I have to ask Courtney because I'm not sure. So you can check out our Aroma Thyme page. It does have what we will be serving as our to-go $9.99 special this week. Let's see, what else? We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We have jazz on Thursday night. Stay tuned though, because I do believe that it is supposed to rain a little bit this week. So stay tuned. Hopefully we won't have to cancel jazz on Thursday night. I would hate to do that. It was a busy weekend here at Aroma Thyme. It was the Blueberry Festival. The streets were packed. It was busy. We did a lot of catering this weekend, so we have been super busy. Let's see. There is no dinner next Monday night. We do have our wine dinner tonight, but no dinner next Monday. The following Monday, which is the end of the month, I think it's the 28th, we have another wine dinner. Our wine dinners are a steal. $29, 4 wines and a dish. You basically get almost 2 glasses of wine and a dish for $29. You cannot beat that. That is why they get sold out very quickly. So stay tuned. We will be continuing them into September, October. They are Monday nights, and we're busy. So give us a call, make reservations, 845-647-3000. $9.99 special this week is barbecue chicken, so smoked barbecue chicken off of our smoker. Our regular menu is available as well to go. We have lots of cool new things. We have a vegan charcuterie plate now. We have a corn and scallop risotto on our menu. So lots of cool stuff coming out. I can't believe it's almost the end of the summer. Hope everybody is enjoying this beautiful weather that we're having. Today is nice. It's not super humid. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Matthew, we'll see you in a little bit. Hello Linda, hello Tammy, hello Adam. I appreciate everybody watching me, totally appreciate it. And now on to my margarita. So I'm gonna be making apricot pineapple margarita with the Black Infusions Gold Apricot Vodka. Look at that in there. That is real pieces of apricot. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. I think you can, but that is real apricot in there. They just came out with a new product, Black Infusions, a cherry vodka, I believe. We were part of some of the taste testing with Michael Davidson from Black Infusions. We were part of his tasting crew, gave him some opinions and ideas back through maybe about a year ago or so now, or at least 9 months ago. So he just came out with a new product, so I'm sure we'll be getting that shortly. So I am going to make a apricot pineapple margarita. So I'm going to add 2 ounces of apricot vodka. So it does have vodka and tequila in it, but that makes it kind of fun. So apricot, 2 ounces. Pueblo Vieja, which we love this story. We love this distillery down in Mexico. woman-owned, really into women's rights, taking care of families, helping her families out. So love Pueblo Vieja. So 1 ounce of tequila, a splash of agave, about a half an ounce of lime juice, and some pineapple juice. All right, splash of pineapple juice. Let's go ahead and shake that up. I like my margaritas on the rocks. How do you like yours? Do you like it with salt? Do you like it with sugar? I like mine with rocks and salt. So we're gonna put some salt on the rim. I'm gonna add some ice. So if you don't know, ice is rocks. So if someone says, do you want it on the rocks? It means ice. And I'm going to pour my margarita here. I hope this is yummy. It looks really good. Apricot pineapple margarita. A splash of soda at the top. And there you have it. I'm gonna mix it on up. So thanks everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. If you could drop where you're watching me from, if you're watching from Florida, if you're watching from New York, if you're watching from California, just drop a comment as to where you're watching me from. I like to see where everybody's watching me. If there's a drink you'd like to see me make, drop a comment. My drink the other day made it on our menu. So it's called a violet sakatini. So violet liqueur, unfiltered sake, and unfiltered sake, violet, lemon juice, and agave. So that is on our regular menu now, called a violet sakatini. So this is my pineapple margarita. You can do a jalapeno pineapple, apricot, awesome drink. So let's take a sip. A little bit of apricot, a little bit of pineapple. Delicious. Hello, Jean. Hello, Susan. Hello, Ellen. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. You know, Marcus and I are really grateful for all of the support. Jean, you'd probably love this margarita. Let's see, normally New York, but in Virginia. Awesome. Thanks, Sabrina, for watching me from Virginia. Hello from Hurley. Hello, Ellen from Hurley. I appreciate everybody watching me. Yeah, it's good, Jean. I think you'd love it. Tequila, a little apricot vodka, and pineapple juice, lime, and agave. It's a great drink, nice for a summer drink, and that's it. So hope everybody's having an awesome day. Enjoy the rest of the week. I will try to be live tomorrow and Wednesday. Hopefully I can get on. If not, we have live jazz on Thursday. Our $9.99 special is smoked barbecue chicken. I love your live stuff. Thanks, Gina. I appreciate it. Glad you're catching me live today. And that's it. I'm going to sign off. Cheers. Hope everybody has an awesome day, and we will catch you all soon. Have a nice night.